Hi, in this video, I will show you how to create your own ERC-20 token on Polygon network. Everything you will need is only MetaMask and some cents on Polygon network. Let's start. Search for remix.ethereum.org. And now we have to create a new workspace. Click here to this little plus. Write some random name of your workspace. Now, click on New File, and rename New File to name of your token and add .sol. Now, we are going to set up compiler. Set up compiler according to the text on the screen. Now copy code from the description and paste it here. Now, we are going to edit code. Replace name and symbol according to text on the screen. My token will be named like my YouTube channel. I am done. Now we are going to compile code. Click on the compile, and wait. It's done. Let's check if you are on Polygon blockchain. Yes, I am on the Polygon blockchain, and now we are going to deploy our token. Click on the Ethereum logo. Select Injected Web3. In the contract section, select your token name, .sol. Now here, you must to write amount of tokens. Because this token will have 18 decimals, you must to add 18 zeros. I want to have 1 million of my tokens, so I must to write 24 zeros. And now click on the deploy. Confirm it in your MetaMask, but you must to pay little fee. It's something about 2 cents, but if you send your Polygon address to the comments, I will select 5 of you and send you some free Matic to pay fees. But now confirm transaction in your MetaMask wallet. And wait few minutes to transaction get confirmed. Done, it takes 5 minutes. Let's check it on Blockchain Explorer. How you can see our token is live. We can add it to MetaMask wallet. We can try to transfer it to another wallet. How you can see, our token is working well. And this is all for this video. If was this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. If you want next tutorial, how to list your token to exchange, write it to the comments.